Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Sudoku, Video 2, Sight Words, Months. This is an engaged video created by Willoughby Eastlake Schools. If you are presently using a smartboard, please remember to save the video first on your computer, then open it up with Smart Video Player. If you would please, have a student come up to the smartboard for the very first lesson. Thank you. Sudoku, Sight Words, page 1. Please do not pick up a pen until you're asked to do so. You'll notice we're working with months of the year: January, February, March, and April. You'll notice that we're missing a month here, 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 and here. What you must do is find out which month is missing and place it in the right spot. Now you can only say the month one time in a column, in a row, or in each one of these cubes. So, if you would please, look carefully at the first cube. What month or name of month is missing in this cube, this column, or this row? If you said the month January, you are correct. If you would please, pick up a pen to solve the other three problems. Do that now. Okay, here is what we have. We already said January. You should have the month of March, April, and January again in the last column. If your answers match ours, that is terrific. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard, and while they're coming up here, if you would please pick up an eraser and erase your answers. Thank you. Page 2. Please do not pick up a pen until you're asked to do so. Just like the previous page, we're looking for the month of May, June, July, and August. Please find out which month is missing in this column, in this column, in this column, and finally in this column. If you would please, pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, if you said June, July, June again, and August, you are correct. Fantastic job. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard, and while they're coming up here, if you would please erase your answers. Thank you. Page 3. Sight words. Please do not pick up a pen until you're asked to do so. We're working with the months September, October, November, and December. Look carefully and you write in the answer for this column. This column has 2 missing. If you would, please pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, here is what we have. In the first column, you should have the word October. Over here, you should have December. And all the way over here, you should have September and November. If your answer matches ours, that is remarkable. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard for the very last page. And while they're doing that, if you would erase your answers in these spots, we would appreciate it. Thank you. The very last problem, page 4, sight words. And you'll notice we're repeating some of the months. We have January, February, March, and April. If you would please pick up a pen to find out which months are missing in these open spots. Please do that now. Okay, if you said over here it's April, February, April again, and January, you are correct. That is astonishing. If you would please, pick up an eraser and erase your answers. And we would like to thank you for working with us today on the months of the year.